fun and play the Pink Mimi way.
Buenos everybody, we are back for part 2 for the collector cards for Harry Potter. This was our first set here, and I do plan on sorting them and putting them in a binder. With our Hermione squishy, she's not that squishy, honestly. She's pretty hard. And she's a bit here, like that's very crooked. So see if she'll stay. Okay. So I've got 3, and I really did peel them up, hoping to get the book, and I feel like it's this one. So I'm gonna leave that one for last. And these feel like heads. So let's go. Yeah, I don't want to see it. All right. Ooh, good start. Severus Snape. Ooh, and this texture too. Textured Harry Potter. This is number 54. This is number 59. I may do them by number. Okay. 54, and that's Harry Potter. And it says 9 3/4, platform 9 3/4. Quidditch outfit. That's cute. Oh, here's Corinius Quirrell. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is cute. Number 46. Regular. Seems just regular. Ooh, this one's got, Tom Riddle with an iridescent face and a high gloss card. Number 38. Harry Potter. It says something there. It's really dark. Let me see what this says. See if I can see it in the camera. Huh? H pajamas. Number 30. Onward. Like texture. This one's number 22. Dumbledore, number 3. I wonder if we already have him. And number 4, Draco Malfoy. Number 14. Oh, this one's got a dent in it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a dent. This is number 14. Number 14. I might want to get a replacement for that. Number 6, Rubeus Hagrid. These are like early on. Yeah, see, I've already got this one. And we've already got that one. I didn't get any other doubles besides those. All right. And our squishy is Ginny. I'll take it. Again, they're not that squishy. Maybe at the bottom, but at least her feet are right. She's got her hair all the way around. She's got her little scarf on, her little uniform. It's cute. We'll put her next to Hermione. Okay, up next. All right. So let's see. Ooh, off to a good start. Number 58, Thestral. It's got a raised, not sure what that's called, but it's got a raised texture. It's got a texture design on there. It's pretty cool. I like it. Cedric Diggory, Triwizard outfit. This is card number 55. This has that texture design on there also, that little shine. This is Harry Potter Triwizard outfit also. No texture design on there though. Number 47. And this is number 55. Oh, this is the Harry Potter H pajamas. Again. Oh. But it's different. It's got that iridescent. So this is number 30 and this is 39. Oh, how cute. Fang. Number 31. Hermione and Ron on the back as a background. That's cute. Number 31. All right, here's another Albus Dumbledore. Number 23. I feel like I have this one already. Let's see. Oh. Yes, I do. No, I don't, because okay, so this is number 3 and this is number 23, and the difference is that this one has that designed like overlay on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's the same exact picture. It's just that this has that sparkle on it. Let me see. Okay, continuing, here's another Draco Malfoy, number 4. We just saw this one. Number 5, Ron Weasley. Here's another Rubeus Hagrid, but this is that iridescent metallic shine on it. So this is number 15. And another Minerva McGonagall. Number 7, which I got in the first one here. So I've got some doubles. I can either give them away for giveaways or trade. And our squishy is, hold on, Hootis. If this is Jenny, is this Ron? I think this is Ron. Okay, I'm gonna say this is Ron. If I am incorrect, somebody please let me know who this is. But I think it's Ron. They have the same hair color. And I think this is Jenny Weasley and Ron Weasley. Okay. those there. Okay, and ready for the last one. I really hope this is the book. And so, but now I gotta buy more because I've only got those 3 guys. And I need more. Okay. Oh. All right, so right off the bat, we've got Harry Potter, H Pajamas again. This one is, Ron Weasley Deathly Hallows. And this has that printed pattern. This one's number 53. I see his pants, but I don't see feet. That's weird. All right, we've got Harry Potter Quidditch outfit. I don't know, I feel like I saw that one, but I don't know. Number 45. Gryffindor crest, number 37. I thought I had, maybe it's this one. I've got this one, but this one, I know there's gonna be another one because this is number 26. This one's number 37, but this has the iridescent shine on it. Tom Riddle again. Harry Potter, number 21. I think we just saw this one. Hermione Granger. I think I already have her. Oh, but you know what? This one has that design on it. So this is number 2 and this is number 22. There's a difference. Okay. Oh, another Albus Dumbledore, number 3. We've got Draco Malfoy again, but this one has that metallic cup. And the last one is Ron Weasley, number 5. I feel like we got that one too. Yes. Right here. So, okay. Be the book, be the book. Yes, it's the book. I sure did feel every single package there until I got this one. And then just picked out 2 of the other kind, like it didn't matter. I just wanted the book. It's just not that, they're called Ooshi. And is it like a pencil topper, I guess? But there we are. I got my little book, my monster book. And that's pretty cool. At least we got Hermione, Ron, Jenny. I think we gotta get Harry so we can have the 2 couples. Minimum. All right, so now I have 40 cards all together. And I will have to sort them and put them in a binder. I think I'll do my first Harry Potter giveaway with these cards. That'll be fun. Okay, so now we have little micro magical moments, and I got this from Five Below. And so let's open her up. Nice little case. This comes with a, ooh. Oh, they all end up, you can put them all together. You can put them all together like this. That's pretty cool. There's this is all of them, I guess. But these are kind of long, like, or they're double. This one's a double, that's a double, and this is like a triple. I don't know if they really have like, no, it's not ranked in any kind of way. It's just so you can cross it off. All right, well, I only bought one because I wasn't sure about these, and I don't think there are any more. We'll see if more come in. Well, let's open it up and see what we have. Oh, that was nice. Oh, it's a little banquet table. I'm not sure where this table would be. Oh, I forget what those are called. I know the name, but anyway. They're cute. Okay, so I don't know if this is the haul, but let's see who we have in here. Oh, it's Headless. Is it Headless Nick? Headless Nick? How cute. How does this work? Is this supposed to be a stand? Here we are. There we go. Headless Nick. Yes, that makes so much sense in the banquet. Oh, are you gonna fit in there? Maybe I have to push this in a little bit more. Do not break. It's supposed to go in. Let's see. Nearly Headless Nick. I call them headless. All right, nearly Headless Nick, but this is not going in any further. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so I'm definitely, if I get the chance, if I see these anywhere, I'm gonna get some more of these guys. Cause this is freaking cute. Oh my gosh. That's cute. I wish I would have gotten more now. But we'll see. Yay. There's that one. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open these Kinders. We've got 3 of them. And we'll see what we get. Open for me. Okay. This is the candy, right? Maybe this is the candy? No. It's gotta be this. Okay. All right. What do we have? What do we... Albus Dumbledore. And there's a string. Here he is. And you gotta put them together. Like so. Very easy. Snap. And I wonder if the string... Alright, let's see this instruction here. Ew, so there are 7 of them. Snape, yes. Okay, what? The string does go in there, but I don't think I would like to. So let's see who else we get. Okay, we'll leave the string over here. Let's open number 2. No way. Another one. A double that fast. Alright, that's okay. And last one. Ooh, what are you? Who are you? Harry Potter! Yes! Yes, okay. We got Harry Potter. Yay! And this just means I'm going to have to buy some more. Woohoo! Alright, so not bad, not bad. They got a little hole in their head. I guess that's for the string. Or the string would be for here, so I don't know why it has that hole up on top. But anyway, you can't see that. But that's cute. You can barely see his scar. Huh. Maybe I'll paint that. I think this doll's a little bit cuter. Like the glasses, you can see his eyeglasses they stick out more than Harry's. They're still cute. All right, so that's it for this unboxing, but I would like the rest of these guys for these micro magical moments, because there's a lot. Not a lot, but I mean, that's still a lot. I think they are like $5 each. And then I'm gonna get some more of these Kinders, and then I will, next time we come around on the next Harry Potter video, I will have all of these cards sorted, and then I'll have some for a giveaway. All right, and that's everything. Maybe next time we'll do those or these. I don't know, maybe that. We'll see. Thank you for joining this Harry Potter unboxing for the cards and some extra bonuses, and I will see you next time. Stay pink.